Alright, I'm going to show you real quick how to change the locks on these. I lost my other keys. So first lock's from the Matco man. So you just take off that nut. It's a 22 millimeter, and then that little lock nut, it's 11 millimeter, I believe. And you come in here, you loosen. It's got a rod right here and a little bracket. Pay attention to which direction that's facing before you start taking it apart. So you take off that one nut, which is kind of hard to see, it's like right there. That nut, and you can get the bracket off, and then you take off the big nut, and the lock comes right out and just slides out. And then you put the other one back in, and just pay attention to which way this lock opens and turns, and put this bracket on the same way it came off. Because I did this one backwards and it wouldn't work, but now it does. You can see. And that's that. Pretty simple. Oh, and to get the drawers out for this, also very easy. That little tab goes up on that side, and that one goes down. And you hold them both down and pull out the drawer.